Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Grow token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Grow is a blockchain ecosystem dedicated to creating a more transparent, sustainable and decentralized global food supply chain. On agriculture layer 1, it operates its own EVM compatible blockchain, purpose built for agriculture rather than being a token on another network. Core mission: the project aims to nourish people, animal, and the planet through three strategic pillars: supply chain tracking, decentralized distribution, and carbon capture. Live ecosystem products: its functionality is delivered through live applications like farm tracker for crop provinces and the nourishes mart of local food markets. Grow token total supply is 40.57 billion and circulating supply is also 40.757 billion. Grow token is listed on Uniswap V4 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.